Um, can you imagine losing everything you built and cherished in your moments? It's a striking thought that resonates with many, especially those who faced the devastating wildfires near Los Angeles. And before diving into the heartwarming stories from this crisis, let's take a moment to remind you, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you enjoy these tales. And among the stories that emerged, one shines with kindness. Um, Peter Facinelli, known for his role in Twilight, opened his doors to his ex-wife, Jennie Garth, and her family during the chaos of the fires. With compassion, he welcomed them into his home, affirming that in tough times, love and support must prevail. Um, Peter reflected on their bond centered around their three children, Luca, Lola, and Fiona. Their history transcends the past, evolving into friendship, which highlights the beauty of conscious co-parenting. He likened their situation to an open invitation, a reminder that even in pain, connection can flourish. The fires ignited on January 7th not only endangered homes, but also the lives of residents. Um, Over 40,000 acres were charred, leading to unprecedented loss and grief. Among the houses threatened was Jennie's, which miraculously remained unscathed. In an emotional post, she expressed sincere gratitude for Peter's generosity in offering shelter, while recounting the tumultuous moments. Jennie emphasized the community spirit that emerged, where kindness and assistance flowed freely. She felt compelled to support others impacted by the disaster, turned into a beacon of hope amidst despair. Among the celebrities affected, Taylor Swift, with her heartfelt note, shared sorrow for families displaced. She rallied support for organizations aiding recovery efforts, urging her followers to contribute. Her empathy reflected a collective desire to mend a fractured community. Other notable figures like Leonardo DiCaprio and Mandy Moore also stepped in, pledging donations and sharing their experiences. The devastation extended beyond mere structures, as like each loss represented memories and aspirations burned away. Brian Greenberg poignantly captured the sentiment of loss as he shared remnants of his home reduced to ash. Individuals, regardless of fame, endured similar heartaches, from personal belongings to family mementos. The impact left scars, yet amidst the ashes, stories of resilience and love emerged. One user humorously noted how they wish their possessions could have made a run for it, like the chickens they saved in the fire, proving that life has a way of throwing curveballs, often with a dash of humor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you next time.